Hey friends, if you're facing this error, there was a problem resetting your PC. So in this video I will show you how to fix it. First of all, drag your mouse to search box and type here cmd and just click on run as administrator and type this command carefully. After type, press enter on your keyboard and it will take some time, so be patient and wait. After finishing verification process, just type this command carefully and again press enter button on your keyboard and again it will take some time, so be patient and wait. After finishing this process, just close the window and now reboot your system. Just drag your mouse to window icon and click here and just select the restart option. Do not select shutdown option. And after rebooting your system, check your problem is solved or not. If you're getting the same issue, follow the second method. Drag your mouse to start menu and click here setting icon and select the update and security option, and now you can see the recovery option. Just click to open it and here you can see the advanced startup option. Just click on restart now option and now follow all the steps carefully. Just select the troubleshoot option and here you can select the advanced option. Now here you can select the system restore option and just wait few minutes. So this is the system restore option, and if you have any password, so here you can type your password and then continue, press on continue. If not have any password, so just press on continue. So this is the system restore point. If you have any previous restore point, so it will showing here, and when you select your restore point and press on next, so it will back your working restore point. So I don't have any restore point, so that's why showing this error, no restore point have any created. So now move on the next method. So now again select the troubleshoot option and here you can select the advanced option, and now you can select the command prompt option and type this command carefully and press the enter button on your keyboard. Again type this command carefully and hit the enter button. Again type this command carefully and press enter button on your keyboard, and after finishing this process, just close the window and now again select the troubleshoot option and here you can select the reset this PC option. So here you can showing two option. Just first option keep my files and second option is remove everything. So select the keep my files option and here you can see the two options are showing. So first option is cloud download and second option local reinstall. So select the local reinstall option. Now finally reset option are showing, so just click on the reset option and just wait a few minutes. It will take some times, and after rebooting your system, reset your system, just check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, move on to the final method. Now final method is open Chrome and just type here Windows 10 installation media, and here you can see the create installation media for Windows. Just click on this option and scroll down a little bit. See, here you can see the go to the download Windows 10 site. Just click on it and now you can see the download option. Just click on download now button. After finishing the download, install this software and upgrade your Windows. After upgrading, check your problem is solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe or like this video. So yeah guys.